Hi everyone, in this video I am explaining how to find the acute angle between pair of lines, that is y square minus xy minus 6x square equal to 0. So standard form of pair of lines equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So angle between pair of lines formula is cos theta equal to modulus of a plus b by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Here if you compare with the standard form, a is minus 6, 2h equal to minus 1 means h is minus 1 by 2, b is equal to 1. So if you substitute the values here means minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So modulus of minus 5 is 5. So in the denominator minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. So 7 negative square is you will get positive 47 plus 1 because this 4 cancels. So you will get 1 by root 2. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So theta value is pi by 4.